So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is where I've been keeping my Quasil powder. So here it is. This is how it looks like. So one thing about the Quasil powder, you can use it as a cleanser, you can use it as a scrubber, you can use it as a face mask. Yeah, and it is pure organic. Again, you can use it in your hair, you can use it to shampoo your hair and stuff. So it's a multi-purpose. So for me, as a scrubber, I mix the Quasil powder, honey and sugar. So I have my honey, I have my Quasil powder, and then I have sugar. So I'm going to mix and scrub my face. So here is the mixture of Quasil powder, sugar and honey. I know it doesn't look good, yeah, I know. So again, I'm giving it time, like 5 minutes. I wash it off, and then we wash them. Don't forget we are deep conditioning this small hair, so wash it off, take a shower, and then we'll be back. So I've washed the hair, I've washed the face now. Let's start with the face before we go to the hair. So I will cleanse again, like double cleansing. So this is a facial cleanser from Eskenol. Just use a piece of cotton. Okay, for me I use rose water as a toner, so after cleansing I just spray the rose water on my face, and then on my hair I used it as a moisturizer. And I leave it for some time to dry. The next is vitamin C from Dr. Rachel. And guys, don't forget, everything that you're doing to your face, make sure you do it on your neck too. You can see I'm already glowing. After the vitamin C moisturizer, I use retinol moisturizer. And because it is daytime, we finish with sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I'm using. SPH 40. Okay, the reason that I'm applying like a lot of sunscreen, it's because I've been using tretinoid. So that's why I'm using a lot of sunscreen. lip balm. So I'm done with the facial. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.